Page 43, Stately Procession. Here we have a piece that uses triplets. Let's talk about the right hand. You're in C major and you're starting out fourth finger on the C up here, so that puts you in this position. And we have this 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Third measure over. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and etc. And that's really all it is. The left hand's just got its accompanying chords. All the fun parts in the right hand, so play the right hand a little louder than the left if you can. Now, I don't have a lot else to say on this. Watch the dynamics. In the left hand you have staccato in that last measure, and I just use a nice light finger staccato here. Is all that's needed. I mean, this isn't a really loud piece. It's not a fast piece. All of Marcia is like a march. So if you're going to left, right, it'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch out on the second line, the last couple of measures. In the left hand you're here, but then you have a rest, so you lift up, and then the next measure you're down here. So you have a quarter rest to move it, so then the right hand's not moving. You'll have to think about the right hand. So just look down and see where you are. So you're in position for the end on the left hand. Let's try this out very slowly together to check the notes and the rhythms to make sure you have everything okay. I'm going to give us 4 counts. So the right hand here, left hand's here. 1, 2, ready, and go, and rest. 4, rest. 4, rest.